Oh, delicioso. Let's see what's in the box. Some new products from Mielle. Got the Mr. bottle, cute styrofoams, leave-in conditioner, regular conditioner, shampoo, hair mask. We got some curl pudding. That's all that came in this box. Finally took all the braids out. Y'all, look at, what is this? So I finished detangling my hair. Does that say CMAS? I have no idea. They stopped teaching cursive in school, so I rinsed my hair out with a second shampoo. I'm about to put the conditioner on. Sometimes I want a mohawk. What if I just shave the sides and then be looking like this? Okay.
What are you looking at, sir? Duh! What are you looking at, sir? You need to leave.
Hey y'all, so I just wanted to say real quick, I feel like sometimes I be trying to turn on the camera and talk and I just can't. Like, I just have this, I don't know how to explain it, but I have this feeling over me. It just be hard for me to talk to the camera sometimes. So this is what I'm gonna start doing. I'm just gonna start, when I see something I wanna show y'all or something that's interesting, I'm just gonna film. Like, it's not necessary for me to talk in that moment. I might not feel like talking, but I still wanna do something. I still wanna contribute something. I feel like I be missing a lot of pretty shots and stuff because I don't want to be like introducing anything, or I don't know. I'm a film, and remember, I could always do voiceover later. I shouldn't be missing out on pretty shots just because I don't feel like saying, hey guys, look at this, whatever. I'ma attempt to do that. I just want to be able to have the camera on and act like me. I don't know if that makes sense, but also everybody has different like personalities. So sometimes when I'm around some people, I'm quiet and I'm introverted and I'm really like and then sometimes when I'm around people I know, I'm like, hey, you know, I'm here. I want to be more QueenZiare. Yeah.
Child. Anyway, so
Holiday Eats and Treats food truck. We're just closing up. We're gonna make you guys some sampler boxes. Give us a second on the app.
It's two parts.
Okay.
But it's all together. Okay. Capital QUEEN. And then right next to it, like it's the same word, capital ZIARE. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodness, the one time I don't bring my camera, something camera worthy happens.
We just pulled up at Sam's Club, and it's a big old truck out here. And we came over here to get some.
We can't eat the bacon one.
I'm gonna eat this.
Oh my goodness.
Oh really?
Ooh, this looks like some See's Candies cabinet. What is that, almond, pecan, walnut?
I guess he'll try to.
Is that cheese? Oh, that look like Gouda cheese. It's Gouda, but it's not good. Filming on my iPhone because my camera's dead. I'm about to cook the Brussels sprouts. If you cook Brussels sprouts, or if you don't really cook, but one day you might cook Brussels sprouts, cut them in half first. I promise if you cut them in half, they'll cook faster and they'll get like softer and they'll suck up the flavors more. But if you just like throw them in a pan how they are and don't cook them for long enough, they're gonna come out crunchy, nasty, and not tender. And that's the same mistake people make make with asparagus. Like if you don't cook asparagus long enough, it won't suck in the flavors as much. It's gonna be crunchy. It's gonna have a whole bunch of those little sticks in them, and it's just not gonna taste good, and the texture is gonna be trash. I don't even know if all this is gonna fit in the pan, but I got even more to cut that I just washed.
友達と花火を見に行ったことがあって、それがとても印象に残っているんです。本当に綺麗で、本当に楽しかった。でも終わった後には寂しい気持ちになって。
We got some ham. Now this time Thanksgiving is the only day out of the whole year I will eat ham. Other than when I eat pizza. Trust me, I know it's delicious. It's super salty, which is the reason why I only eat it at specific times. Because if I eat it every day, my head will be swirling off my neck. So I cannot consume that every day. Then we got the stuffing, y'all call it dressing, stuffing, I don't know. It's disgusting. My whole family likes it. Other people like it. They question who doesn't like it. They think we're psychopaths, but it's nasty. Potato salad, the greens. Now there is usually mac and cheese, turkey, and other things, but nobody cooked the turkey because oven turkey dry. Nobody want oven turkey, and if it was gonna be a turkey, it was probably gonna be fried. I've never had fried turkey. I want to try a fried turkey. My mom usually make the bomb mac and cheese, but she is done. She has been cooked down to beat down to after cooked, yes. So she was like, nah, I'm not doing that this year. I'm not beating myself down to the ground. So we're not getting that this year. But I can make craft. No, I'm not. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, there used to be a thing up here. We saw a fox up here. We saw a fox up here.
When y'all walk back here, make sure you with somebody.
I'm so sweaty. It's so disgusting. Y'all, I don't think the camera is really doing this justice. Like, it is so, I mean, look at the color. Like, it is so pretty in here. Y'all can't even really see it, but I wonder if you can see it now.